So you can see this eye here, the very thick skin ring. Okay, this means the skin is not eliminating waste properly, and that's because the adrenals and kidneys are weak. Okay, so the skin is taking the burden, but it's not having a good time eliminating the waste. So you gotta detox it, fix the thyroid, sweat more often, do some yoga, do some get into the sauna, etc., steam sauna. You notice that there's a malabsorption ring, a dark ring around the pupil. That means the person is not absorbing nutrients properly. There's also a cholesterol ring here that shows a potential cataract. You need to detox, remove the acidosis. Okay. You notice that the pituitary gland and the pineal gland also is quite congested. You can see the kidney adrenals, as I mentioned, and the right foot and right leg as well. It's also quite congested. The bowels are chronic. Okay, they're getting. You see those deep etchings. These are the bowels. It's getting to the chronic level. So you need to detox this. There's radii solaris coming out of the pupil, showing toxic tunnels coming out of the GI tract, affecting other body parts and glands. Okay, you can see the groin region right here and the pelvis region right here. They are quite congested, just as is the liver and gallbladder and the ovaries. The lungs also quite congested around here, and just as the shoulder ears also quite congested as well.